What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. Don't forget to check out the ukulele version of this. Also, you guys can support this channel by getting these t-shirts here. Have the links down below for the T-string that you guys can check out. What's the easy 4-chord song? The chords that we're going to use here is going to be D. Next chord is an A. What you can do here is you can actually bar the last 4 strings here and play the A like that. So D, kind of give that A there, and then a D minor, and then a G. You don't have to play this, the A like this, but if you listen to the song, it has that kind of guitar part, but you guys can play just regular A too. Alright, so an easy strum pattern for this song is just gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the example will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all the chords, strum pattern you need to play the song. And if you guys haven't yet, go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.